left. On the right, we got Freebird with the German Hood. Freebird on the right. Paul Hill on the left. I was going to try to play Freebird as he was coming up, but that's like an 8-minute song. And they go down the track in 2 seconds, so we'll play later for him. Highway on the left, Freebird on the right. Alright guys, we're going to track clear here and figure out mechanical issues and get you guys back to racing here. Once again, these are the open paddles. Just an FYI guys, later, so after we go through all these classes, we will have a intermission. It's usually about 30 minutes. You guys are welcome to go into the pits, check the cars out, buy some merch from